gold sparklers. Ooh.
Good. Garbage. This was.
Oh.
Fireworks.
Good.
It's windy outside.
I know what we're gonna do with this garbage, guys. Look at this. With my helmet, garbage goes right there. Garbage. I said garbage. Get it. Whoa. Sierra getting the bow. Ooh. Ooh. Sierra's mom. Ooh.
Okay.
My daddy bringing out the bucket. Ooh.
Look at the.
Look at this. My daddy bringing out the bucket. Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh.
Look at the water. Boink. Guys, do you want to see underneath dirty water? Ah! I'm gonna get you. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. We've.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. We each get one box of sparklers.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. We're gonna catch the house on fire.
I'm kind of scared about this.
Don't be.
I like fireworks, but Rory doesn't.
Laid it already.
Oh jeez!
Oh
my God!
Give Sierra one.
No, we each get a box.
Oh my God!
Too hot. We're gonna put it in the.
He's dangerous.
Put
No!
it,
Melting!
put it in the bucket.
No, don't scrap the whole box. I mean, Ultimate Gamer.
My cousin found it. Her husband lit like the whole box.
Ultimate Gamer, hold this.
Sparklers,
Hold
like
this.
the whole case of them. Lit them on fire and put them in like their little. They have like the backyard stove thing, like the little. And they put it in there and like it like exploded.
Sierra, if that rolls out in the street, don't run after it. Make sure there's no cars coming.
Here we go.
Sierra, do you want to do a sparkler?
Here,
You
wait
have to
two.
put this all
Wait
back
one.
in the garage, okay?
Here.
Here, I'll take it.
Here, give that one to Sierra.
Them all together.
Ow, it's
Give that
hot.
to Sierra.
Here. Ah, it's hot. Oh, it's
Hold it in the water.
Ooh, it's hot. Ow, it's hot.
I told you.
Let's handle one at a time.
Yeah, let's
I'm not.
go on.
Look at this. Don't drop it in the water.
I'm trying not to.
it looks like a candy cane, a burnt candy cane. Lick it. I triple dog dare you.
Ew, don't eat it.
Sierra, come here.
Alright, Sierra, come here. You're gonna get the next one.
Oh,
Like
that's
all
hot.
of them?
Alright.
I really
hold
like
one.
doing all of them
Just hold
because
one.
they're so amazing.
It's like
Do one of them,
hold
okay?
them up in the air. and like,
Sierra, just hold it like
them and
this,
spin it
far
like
away
a
from
fire
you, and then you
tornado.
won't
Like,
get hurt,
hold the
okay?
end. I'll show you. I'll give it to you.
I want to hold all of them, and I won't forget it, and I'll just like spin around.
Are you okay? You gonna watch?
Like this one.
Here, take one. One.
Please.
One Ultimate Gamer. One.
Hey.
Oh, wacky.
Yeah. Sierra doesn't want one?
Sierra, you can have one, okay?
She doesn't want it.
Sierra, here, let me show you.
Wait, Colton, let's put our thing together
No.
whenever we. Come on.
No arguing with her. Okay, you don't have to do it. Come on, let's watch Colton do it. You wanna go home? Cutie?
Why won't this light?
Because they're in the wind.
Give it to me.
There you go. See?
Ah, it's hot.
Oh. Honey, it won't hurt you. And we're going to light stuff you can just watch. You don't have to get close to.
Sierra, see, look, it's not hurting me.
Don't scare them.
Oh.
Oh man! I just felt one of the sparks. Okay, wait, put it together.
Spark. Oh. We did this before. Wait, push
The
it.
spark of
Push
life.
Push it together. Ooh,
Won't work.
too late, Dad. Ah! That fell. Fell. Let's see if this stick will light. Nope. Morning,
Can I hold all
peoples.
of them? It's no fun whenever Jeff.
Why is there a piece down here? Who? Oh.
A dude.
Could be a dude.
I did that.
This one's gone.
I did.
Gotta get some more. Hi, Sierra.
Can I please hold like all of them?
No.
I don't want you to get burned, though. It's kind of dangerous.
I did it one time.
I know, but
But you nearly got burnt.
No, it's just that I was freaking out because it was so hot.
Yeah, and that.
Well,
Nope.
you don't need to be in the emergency room tonight. Hear that?
besides,
Ultimate Gamer,
I
you
have a
won't.
bucket of water.
You won't be able to do any videos. You won't. Look at that sad face. Hi. Hi. Do it.
You don't have to hold it. You can just watch, okay?
I'll light him.
You want to go home with this?
What's the matter?
I'm coming for you.
Guys, watch this. Deep sea diving. Ooh, it's a comet. Ooh. Guys, deep sea diving. Ooh, it's a comet. Oh, I missed it. I totally missed the grass.
Here.
I want one. Guys, look, a comet. It's going in for the water.
Go take
We'll see, you guys.
the power of
Didn't she come out before when we lit them?
Is she crying?
Yeah, she's upset.
I'm coming for you.
Aw. That's sad.
Well, we'll,
Sad face, guys. Hmm.
no.
Don't! Don't, Ultimate Gamer, don't!
Not put them in your mouth or touch them to your skin.
Don't do that. Don't do
Okay.
that.
How are we gonna get all these sparklers done?
We got time until it gets dark.
Yeah, I guess we
Hopefully
have.
the wind dies down and we can break the bigger ones. I don't want it blowing all over the place.
Yeah! Ooh, spinning. Ooh, I'm probably making people sick right now. I'll take one.
Here, you take one.
You light it?
You take one.
I want all of them.
Not happening.
Enough tissue.
Can I have 3?
No.
I'll take 2.
Please. And you have 2.
Light it. I'm stuck. Light it already, would you?
Colton, it's in the breeze, buddy. You're not getting the concept here. It'll blow out. There you go. See?
I'll light it.
Well, put them together.
I can't light it. I can't light the other one. Oh, I got him.
Oh, I got them.
Big
Wait,
flame.
what? Let's put all of them together.
That's
A
one.
fourth wood that would not be reckoned with.
Ah, it's a comet. Ooh.
It's a comet. I thought I saw an ember. Get on me.
bubbles. Okay.
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 So yeah, guys, this has just about been the end of sparklers, and we're gonna do some more, and it's gonna be a couple part video tonight of fireworks. So yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Bye. Bye.